Thank you for tuning back into Freedom Brothers. We are here today. We're building a duck coop. We have 6 baby ducks. If you've been following us, they're getting pretty big now. I gotta find something so they can stay outside all day and hang out but still be safe. Yeah, we're gonna put something together. Don't really have much of a plan yet, but with these two mastermind brains, we're gonna come up with something dope.
This is our latest project. We don't really exactly know what we're doing, so we're gonna wing it.
We're gonna shoot some ideas and kind of make it up as we go. We got an idea roughly on a box.
Basically, that's it.
Woo, Freedom Brothers!
Freedom Brothers!
I don't know, I think this might be too big.
All right, so now we have 2 matching pieces. And this is gonna go right here.
So this is gonna be a little platform in the back
Okay.
for them to sit on. And then we put their pool thing over here.
And it has to go all the way around.
Yeah, I thought it would. Shit. We'll get more tomorrow. Just like that. Alright, I think we're gonna add the 4 posts going up, and then we'll work on the platform in the back. I found some 2-inch screws. The 1 5/8 weren't quite long enough. I mean, they work pretty good. They're like strong wood screws, but these ones aren't as strong, but they are longer. So we'll do a little mixture of both.
Size does matter. So these are gonna be the height of our coup. And so Andy's gonna figure out exactly how high he wants it. Sounds like he wants 4 feet. We lost our pencil.
I blame you, Nick.
I sharpened it for you. That's all I did. It was all you from there.
It was in my pocket.
So for the height of it, we want one side to be taller than the other so that when we put the roof on, it's got a little bit of a slant so that water can drip off, obviously.
Once it all gets like put together, it's gonna be a lot better.
That was my idea.
That was not your idea.
Yes, it was! I was
not bullshit.
Yeah, I was literally
Shut
saying.
the fuck up.
We have extra one of these.
Check your
We just make it this tall and then we put this on it. I was literally saying it. Then you went off on your own little tangent that was also my tangent. We were on the same route.
Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Shit.
Why? Stand here and realize your fate.
Shit. Wait. So
Stand
I only
here.
needed that for the back half. And we were supposed to put in 2 more for the front half.
Of these, so what we just did to these was supposed to be done to the middle and not to these.
Yeah. Well, no. But we can just move those over to here, and we'll just put in.
We're not
new
gonna
ones
take
up front.
these out now.
Why not? That would take 5 seconds.
No, it's got everything in it. It's gonna be destroyed. We have to just deal with it, or cut these and make them lower. Cut this one, match it with that one.
No, I got this.
No, dude.
All right, or we just. Got another idea.
This is why people write out and sketch out their stuff.
Hey. Motherfucker. Let's think about this. You want to do that real quick? Maybe just hit one of these on each side?
Yeah.
Boom. Call it a day. See, it looks pretty cool. I think we made something, Nick.
I think so.
I think so. Let's wrap it with the fence, and then we'll put the ceiling on, and I think we'll be pretty good to go. Yeah. When we get more of this, we're gonna probably cut it right here, but I'm gonna tack it up because corners suck, and rather just go from here forward because that's easier to do than trying to rebend the whole corner again.
We could even just sit down right here with it right behind us.
All right, guys, so thanks for watching. This is the final result of what we got done today. Sadly, we ran out of materials that we weren't quite expecting we needed more of, like this fencing. I didn't measure it. It was just left over from our fence that we already made. I thought there was more, but I'm gonna get more of that tomorrow. We need another roof shingle, and then we're gonna do a little door up front. Pretty simple, just with a little latch, swings open. This is our gonna be our duck's house. Nick, how did you like building this?
I thought it was super fun building it. Building stuff with my little brother is awesome. He leads it, and he takes charge, and he knows what he's doing. At least he'll tell you that. And then usually by the end of the day, we always get it done. So that's the awesome part.
Woo! Not today though.
No, that's because of materials. Materials.
We still got sunlight. We'd be out here doing it, but it's a little too late to run all the way down to Hendersonville. I'll pick some up after work tomorrow, and we'll get to town and finish it. We still got some painting left to do in the house tonight. We're gonna take off some tape, show you the final results of our living room that we did finish.
We still got the door. We got one more of these metal pieces to go right on top. We got this to come all the way back around and in the front, right?
Yeah.
And in the front. And then basically, then you're looking at the final product here. So let us know in the comments below how we did. If you think that you could do it, or if this is just, you know, too hard for you. If we need to make a manual for people, we'll try. But we kind of, like we said in the very beginning, winged this. Half of the, you know, just creating your farm and building an independent, sustainable farm is a lot of it is just getting in, getting your hands dirty, coming up with it on the spot, making things up, doing what feels right. That's a lot of it. It's really, you know, just do it.
That's right. You just gotta keep moving forward, and before you know it, boom, Duck Coop.
Duck Coop. So this is the Freedom Brothers. Go check out our store, freedombrothers.store. Wear our merch. It's awesome. Oh, God. Okay.
That's all right. It don't matter.
Yeah.
If you like it, get it. Support us. We love everybody.
Absolutely. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Freedom Brothers, share with everyone you know. This is Freedom Brothers.
If you don't share it, screw you.